morning everybody, Tracey here from Uniquely Creative with our brand new collection. It is this one here, it's called Tapestry of Time and it is a very beautiful collection. I'm going to take you through all of the gorgeous things we are releasing today. Okay, so in April is Tapestry of Time and this is the first paper. We'll take a closer look at those. This one's called Memories and that's the back. This one is The Good Old Days. And the B side is a good old country map. This one is called Vintage Map, and obviously we've got Australia on there. And we have got a great B side, which is kind of like a vintage one. This one is called Old Times Fussy Cuts, and it is exactly that, fussy cuts. And there's lots of Australia type memorabilia in here, like your old post boxes and your Kodak film, and lots of things from the past. The back, this one is called ephemera, which is exactly that, little bits you can cut out. We've got references for the Anzac and the stamps and different bits and pieces on that one. Beautiful B-side. This one is called Remember When. Gorgeous floral pattern. And the dominoes on the back. And old news. And this one is literally that. All different pieces of memorabilia. And the poppies on the back. And this one is Reminisce. This is my favourite, and the old vintage wallpaper on the back. So that is the collection. We have got 4 cut apart sheets this month. We've got, this one is the poppies on the watercolour. And this one is called We Will Remember, which has got more of that Anzac theme. This is the Tapestry of Time one, and of course on both of these we have used the new dies, number 7 and number 8, and we've also got number 6 in there as well. And the mini, which is what we used in the card kit. The Creative Cuts next. These are the ones that come with the kit, if you're going to buy the kit, and these are the Tapestry of Time ones. There's also a second pack, which are our Anzac ones, which obviously have more of that Anzac feel to them. So Lydell has made this one and she's used that extra packet of Creative Cuts, the Anzac, and as you can tell these are great for scrapbooking your vintage photos or your wall memorabilia. This one, Lydell has just done some memory keeping of a games night. This one is her gorgeous little puppy. This is little Willow, so pretty, and more of the Anzac. So as you can tell, this collection is great for both your masculine and all of your wall memorabilia, as well as all your vintage photos. It's a really pretty one here. I love the dominoes in here. Another wall one. So these are in the Creative Cuts, and I love how Siann on this one has scanned in some of those documents, and she's used that on the page. More beautiful vintage memorabilia, the good old days, and again back to modern times. It was a baking day. How cute, hey? Very cute. So that's some of the projects. So this is the add-on die. It's one of them. It's called Matchbox, and of course you can make these absolutely adorable little matchboxes with it. So I've cut this one out of vellum, and then I just cut the stripe plate out of a little home brand box, and then I'll put the other one on here. It's actually got matchboxes, but look at the cute little things you can put in there. Some pins. This is Pearl's begging me for these. This is her treasure, and you can also use this on the 6x6. So if you use it on the 6x6, you're going to get the white on the inside, and if you use it on the 12x12, you do get the coloured inside. So that is the Matchbox die. The second die we have is the vintage sewing machine die. Okay. Just want to quickly show you, you can add on the Cardstock Bundle, and in the Cardstock Bundle we have got 2 sheets of these. So in there is 2 sheets of the Cappuccino Cream, the Misty Rose, the Island, the Whispering Wall, and the Antarctic Bliss. So that is the Tapestry of Time pack. Lots of new things are releasing this month. We have got cute little tools to go with our tiny tools. These are our crafters tools. We have a new little stencil. This one's called Abstract. We've got our Tapestry of Time laser cut. And this is where we've got the We Will Remember and the Good Old Days. That's the Matchbox die. These are fun. These are new. These are called vintage tickets. And let me quickly show you. Okay, so these are the vintage tickets. They come like this. There's a whole strip of them, and they actually rip off, and they break down into 3 separate little compartments, little slots if you want them to. And these are perfect for layering in your scrapbooking or in your craft projects. I have used them, like on this little matchbox, I've used them tucking in here, and I've used them on a few spots on the matchboxes. They are great, fun new ones. So these are the vintage tickets, and then these are the party tickets, and these have got some brighter tones in them as well. These are fabulous. These are our new album inserts. So if you wanted to make a vintage album or an Anzac album or any of those vintage ones, so these are the hard ones that go into your vintage album, so you can make the album. You don't have to use them for albums though. You can also make card bases with them, use them in your scrapbooking. They are beautiful. Our next exciting launch for April is our adhesives. So we've got 6mm double-sided tape, 3mm double-sided tape, and our fine tip glue pens. And these glue pens are amazing for getting on the back of things like this. So how they work is on the back, you literally just draw the glue on like you do with a pen. And you just go over all the fine little bits, and that then sticks down onto your paper. I don't want to stick it down onto my backing, and they are fabulous. So that's the fine tip glue pens. The last thing we're launching is new laces. We have got 5 or 6 beautiful new laces. This one here is our roses, and they're really beautiful. These are our bouquets, and that's just like a beautiful big bouquet. This one is called elegant lace, and it's like a length of lace. This one is our floral lace, and again, this is a length. These are our paisleys. They are really cute too, some of my favourites. And this one, what is this one called? Vintage lace. And of course, that is that beautiful fine vintage lace, obviously. I'll just show you this one out the packet so you can see that it's just a beautiful long length of 1 yard of lace, so not quite a metre. So really pretty new laces. And the other one I wanted to show you out the packet is this one. Let me quickly open it. These are the bouquets. So they are these individual pieces, and they are beautiful, and I think you get 6 of them in there. So they are lovely. So yeah, that is all of the products that we are launching for April. If you are waiting to get the kit, I will take you through what's in the kit next. Okay, let's take a look at what's in the new kit. So if you're waiting for the kit that was going to release on the 5th, this is what you get. So you get your crafters tools, some of our white twine, our Tapestry of Time Creative Cuts, packet of vintage tickets, our beautiful new roses in the lace pieces, Tapestry of Time laser cut. We've got the album inserts, which are great for obviously using in albums, and there's all the designs, or you can use them as card backings or anything, they're great. New abstract stencil, the magazine of course, which is full of all scrapbooking and card making ideas and instructions. We've got the regular cut apart sheet and the watercolor cut apart sheet, Tapestry of Time Collection pack. And we have got a sheet of our Misty Rose cardstock and a sheet of our Cappuccino cream cardstock. So that's it. That's everything that's in the kit, and this kit will be releasing on the 5th of April. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.